What percentage of your testing activity is spent on updating and maintaining your automation suite per cycle? For example, per sprint or per release. Test maintenance is a process of updating a test case because it no longer functions correctly, whether this is caused by a change in the application under test, environment changes, data changes, or fixing fragile and poorly written tests. The efforts for maintaining test automation is often underestimated and can be the costliest aspect of test automation. If not managed well, test maintenance activities will consume all the team's time and prevent them from creating test automation to verify new functionalities. If your team finds that they are spending a large majority of their time maintaining their test automation, then they should investigate the root causes for these test failures and put together a strategy to fix it. So, there are several techniques that you can adopt to reduce your test maintenance. Number 1, use tools or build test frameworks that support a data-driven testing approach. The data-driven test approach separates the test data from the testing logic and can reduce the maintenance effort caused by data changes. Second, use tools or build test frameworks that support separating object identification from the testing logic. Okay, so this is sometimes called object-based or model-based test automation. This approach reduces the maintenance efforts caused by changes to the applications. Next, use tools or build test frameworks that support grouping recurring steps into reusable functions. This can reduce the number of places where you need to make the changes when the application functionality changes. Okay? Finally, create best practices and train the testers on creating test automation and using the test automation tools to reduce maintenance caused by fragile or poorly written tests.